WhatsApp is banning a lot of number these days, a lot of account these days. And if you are watching this video, it means your WhatsApp line has been banned and you're looking for how you can resolve it. Well, good news for you, because in my video today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can resolve this WhatsApp ban number, how you can recover your banned WhatsApp number so you can start making use of WhatsApp stress-free. Okay, so if you don't see information about it, guys, can you give me a thumbs up? And if you're new on my channel, you welcome. On my channel here, I give you videos on how you can resolve issues with the social media platform. This is like I'm about to give you a video on how you can unban your WhatsApp. So all you need to do is click on the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification icon so that when I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And trust me, guys, I've got truckload of videos on how you can help yourself when it comes to your social media platforms. So now, before I tell you how you can unban your WhatsApp number, the very first thing you need to know is, why is WhatsApp banning people? Why did WhatsApp ban you, if you are wondering? So that after I show you how to unban your WhatsApp, they won't ban you again, because that is the major thing. Most people, after unbanning their WhatsApp, they still go over and WhatsApp keep on banning that line over and over again. But once you know why WhatsApp is banning you, you can avoid that thing and you are good to go. So the very first one is, if you are spamming people, if you're the type of person that send random messages to people, you spam people, even people without your contact, people that don't have your number, people not on your contact list, you spam them, WhatsApp is going to flag your number. The second one is, if people are reporting your account, so let's say for example, after spamming people, and WhatsApp does not buy you for that, because probably you see their number to maybe those WhatsApp bot contact saver, then they report you because you're spamming them. WhatsApp is going to flag your line. Now another reason why WhatsApp can buy you is if you're making use of an unofficial WhatsApp. And do you all know what unofficial WhatsApp is? That is the GB WhatsApp, Edon WhatsApp, video WhatsApp, and other type of unofficial WhatsApp which the main WhatsApp does not support. Once WhatsApp know that you're using an unofficial WhatsApp, they get to ban your life from using WhatsApp. And guys, these are just few reasons why WhatsApp is going to ban you. I created a social media that explains 10 reasons why WhatsApp bans you and what you can do to avoid being banned in the future. So I need to click on the link above to go and watch that video to understand it better. Now, before unbanning your WhatsApp, you should know that there are different types of WhatsApp bans. Yes, so the very first one is a time ban. Now, what does it mean? It means when you are banned by WhatsApp, they give you a timer, probably 24 hours, 30 hours, 60 hours, 2 days, 3 days, and all you need to do to unban that WhatsApp is just to wait for those minutes, those hours to pass by, and once it's off, you are going to continue using your WhatsApp. Now, the second method is, you are permanently banned. However, you can see an option to review, to request a review, because there are times that WhatsApp bots might just mistakenly ban your number, so they are not sure if probably you did something wrong, so they allow you to request a review. And as you can see on my screen here, once you click on that request a review, then it's going to take you to this website. Okay, so what's your website? All you need to do is to fill in your details. Right here, you need to put in your WhatsApp number, that's affected number, bad WhatsApp number. Put in your Gmail address to one, because we are questioning you are contacting the WhatsApp support team. Okay, so once you put in your email address, so that whenever they want to respond to you, they can respond to you through that email. Okay, and now you need to choose the device you are using your WhatsApp on. Is it an Android device? Is it an iPhone? Is it a web or desktop? Is it iOS and others? Select the one you are using for your WhatsApp. And lastly, you will need to now type in the message. Now guys, this message is the most important part, because at this point they might get to unban you or keep that banned forever. So what do you type? You be honest about it. So what I usually type is, hello, good day, my WhatsApp was banned by mistake and I did not violate any WhatsApp policy. Can you please look into this? Okay, so once I type in this, when I type in this, I click on the next step, automatically it sends them a message, and now someone gets to review it rather than the bot that probably by mistake they ban your number. Someone now reviews your WhatsApp and helps you unban it in less than 24 to 48 hours. You are good to go. And if you don't unban it, I'm going to send you a mail on this point over here. That's why I asked you to put a mail that is working, so that whenever they send you a mail, you receive it and know what to respond and how to go about it. So now, if you're currently banned on WhatsApp, you have the option to request a review. You can't see me can request a review for someone to help you unban your WhatsApp. All you need to do is to follow this method on this screen recording right now. So now the very first thing to do is to go to your browser, be it Safari, Chrome, or Mini, whatever browser in the case of. Once you go there, click on web.whatsapp.com. Click on it. So now once it has loaded up, you click on this three icon over here. Click on this three icon, then go to help center. So once you're in help center, scroll up, then go to contact us. Okay, once you're in contact us over here, now you need to choose which WhatsApp are you using. Is it WhatsApp business or is it normal WhatsApp? If you're using business WhatsApp, it says WhatsApp business support, you click on it. If you're using WhatsApp messenger support, there's normal WhatsApp, you click on it. So I'm using normal WhatsApp, I click on WhatsApp here, contact us. Then once I'm here, what do I do? Now, before I tell you what you need to do, because guys, this is an important part when it comes to Unban in WhatsApp. All you need to do is give this video a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and go to the comment section and comment how to unban your WhatsApp so that it can trigger the algorithm for people who are in search of this information so they can get to it immediately. How to unban your WhatsApp and give it a thumbs up. If you've done that, guys, let's continue. So now you need to put, it says, please provide the phone number you use for your WhatsApp account. That's the affected number. You need to put it there and choose your country code by putting the affected WhatsApp number. So once you've done that, you now need to add your email address 2 times. You need to add that email address twice. Okay, so once you've put it, because you are chatting the WhatsApp support team, you are asking for their support. So which means they're going to email you back if they're going to unban it, or even if you want to unban it, they will also send you a mail. All right, so now once you've gotten here, you choose how to use WhatsApp. Is it an Android, iPhone, web and desktop, iOS, or others? Once you repair it now, you can comment to the main point right here. Click on it, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to explain to them what you're facing. Explain to them what you're facing. So click hello, good day. My WhatsApp account was banned by mistake. Can you please help me look into it? Put this is the affected number. Then I have to now input that affected WhatsApp number again. Just put it there and ensure you start with the country code. Your country code was 234. Then your number. Do you understand? You click on next step. So what you're going to do is going to send it to them, and automatically within 24 to 38 hours they're going to unban it. And if they don't unban it, they will send you a mail. Okay, they're going to send you a mail. So either way, your WhatsApp is going to get unbanned. So now, lastly, there are people who get frequently banned on WhatsApp. Even though they change their phone number, WhatsApp keeps on banning them over and over again. You keep on changing new number, getting new number, and WhatsApp is still banning that new number on your device. So what this means is WhatsApp has flagged that your IP address. Yes, WhatsApp has flagged your phone ID. So whenever WhatsApp bans people, for example, people report your line, you are spamming people, or you're using the unofficial WhatsApp, and WhatsApp bans your number, and they eventually flag your IP address. No matter the amount of WhatsApp you keep on opening on that particular device, it's keep on getting you banned over and over and over again. And it can be so frustrating because you need to be on WhatsApp to probably receive messages and other things. So how do you go about this? Now, what you need to do is, since they flag that your phone and since they flag your number, go get a new number and now use a new device to open WhatsApp. You can use probably your friend's phone to open a new WhatsApp, or any other device you have to open a new WhatsApp. And once you've opened it, all you need to do is to set on that WhatsApp for probably a few days, just 2 3 days, 4 days, 1 week. Then once you set it on that device for 1 week, you can now back up your device and transfer it to your main device. What this does is it's going to signal to WhatsApp that that number was opened on a different IP address that has not been flagged. So it is all good and fine. Okay, and once you now transfer it, it won't even raise an alarm on that your new number you opened. All right, so I did a video where you can and back up your WhatsApp chat and also transfer it to your new phone seamlessly without stress. So all you need to do is click on the link above to go and watch that video. All right, now you should note that from Android 11 and below, most apps have a list of apps on your phone. So what does this mean? So let's say, for example, you are using Android 11 version on your phone and you're using WhatsApp. WhatsApp can tell the list of apps you have on that phone. Okay, WhatsApp can tell the list of apps. Facebook can tell you the list of apps you have on your phone. So if you have a GB WhatsApp using an Android 11 version, WhatsApp is going to be notified and they can quickly flag your number or permanently ban that GB WhatsApp. So you can't use it because they have access. However, on the Android 12 and above, Google did not accept this. They improved their system so that no app is going to know the list of apps you have on your phone. So if you're using an older Android version, you need to update, and if you cannot update, then you need to know the type of apps you keep on your phone so that WhatsApp is not going to flag your line for using unofficial WhatsApp. Okay, and now those of you watching this video probably using the Android 12 version and up, you're probably thinking that you are free from WhatsApp knowing the list of apps you have. So even if you're making use of a GB WhatsApp, you are free to do it. Note that WhatsApp bot can also dictate if you're using a GB WhatsApp, and this will get you permanently banned. So let's say, for example, you're using your main line for WhatsApp and it gets permanently banned without even review. How can you go about it? You might lose everything, probably your content, your business, your chat, and every single thing on that WhatsApp. So I'm going to advise you to use the main WhatsApp, probably the business WhatsApp or the official WhatsApp, so that your main line does not get flagged or automatically banned by WhatsApp. Because even though I'll show you how you can unban your WhatsApp in these various steps, once WhatsApp bans your number for some reasons and they don't unban it, they don't see reasons why to unban it, there's nothing I can do or nothing you can do, and that number is gone forever for WhatsApp. So imagine that is your main line. How do you feel? What do you do about it? So all you need to do is to use the official WhatsApp or business WhatsApp, so you are good to go. And if, for example, you like so much like the features on the GB WhatsApp, every WhatsApp, your WhatsApp, because the features are so cool. Yes, I can automatically download status to my of the device straight up. I can do lot and lot of other things normal WhatsApp cannot do, the official WhatsApp cannot do. So what do? You need to get a second number and start using the WhatsApp over there, or the U WhatsApp or the FM WhatsApp or any other unofficial WhatsApp at that point, so that even though they ban that WhatsApp, you know that you've not lost your main WhatsApp line, your main business line. Okay, now if you have any question for me, can you leave it in the comment section where I go answer you ASAP. I'll show you steps on how you can resolve this WhatsApp banned number solution. I'll also show you how you can recover any banned number at all on WhatsApp, so you can start using your WhatsApp easily. If you have any question for me, kindly leave it in the comment section below where I go answer you ASAP. And then, like I said, you need to understand the reason why WhatsApp bans you every single time, and I created a video for you. So all you need to do is to click on the description box below to go and watch that video, and also discover a video on how you can transfer WhatsApp from two different devices easy without stress, just in case you're facing that frequently banned WhatsApp issue. It's going to help you out to transferring your WhatsApp once you're done with it. So all you need to do is just check out the description box below also to go and watch the video on how to do that. Okay, I'm going to be seeing this in my next video as we discover more ways we can solve your social media problems. See you guys.